Well, it's that time of year, unfortunately, fellas. It's time to put the snow tires on. Alright guys, I'm looking at the driver's side rear right now. What I'm going to do, and I'm going to try to do, is just put the snow tire and wheel on without the spacers. Because last year, you guys know, I did put the spacers on. As far as what I'm going to do to change things up this year, I got a 1-inch spacer for the front instead of the 1.5, just to give a little bit more clearance. So I'm going to go and see if the snow tire will just clear these Brembos on the rear this year. Oh wow, I had so much clearance. This is great. Alright guys, and as you guys know, I got the Mopar Police Wheels, and as you can see here, I'm going to put my whole finger in between the wheel and the actual caliper, or the caliper of the Brembos. So if any of you guys are wondering if these if the Mopar Police Steelies will clear the Brembos in the back, the answer is a definitive yes. So that's good news. All right, so let's take a look at these bad boys installed. It's a front angle shot here, direct on with the front passenger snow. And as we come around here, we can get a look. We can get a look here, and I'm gonna, in a moment here, put the camera inside of the wheel and shows you the spacer there. Unfortunately, I did have to go with the 1.5-inch spacer. The 1-inch spacer did not work. The studs just weren't long enough, and I wasn't able to adhere the wheel safely. So I ended up going with the 1.5-inch spacer in the front, and no spacer in the rear, as you can tell there, as it's not really sticking out very much. And here's some pictures of some of the snowstorms that we have received this year. We've gotten 2 huge significant snowfalls this year. The first one was about 2 feet of very, very wet, heavy snow. And then the second storm we got was about 10 to 12 inches of the good stuff. And these snowstorms were so significant. As you can see, my car's outside. It took me days to get my car out and out and driving. So unfortunately, I did miss driving it in these storms.